Hello, Martin here. You're listening to part 2 of my Ask Martin Anything week questions thing. Don't forget, Ask Martin Monday is where you do this. Hashtag Ask Martin Monday. And that's on Twitter at TV Martin Roberts. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And it's very exciting. Look out in the next couple of days. There's something very exciting coming. I can't say any more. Zip. But yeah, watch out for it. Let's go on with some questions. Cheer me up. Hello, cheer me up. Are you superstitious? Well, probably. I am a little bit superstitious, not to the point of insanity, but I'd say I am. Are most people superstitious in some way? I think we probably all are, aren't we? Chris Lawton, hi Chris. Hi Martin. Is buying a flat for buy-to-let in an area where there are lots of new build flats under construction sensible or not? Does the soon-to-be increased supply reduce the value of existing older properties? Well, there's lots of different ways of looking at this, Chris. I personally think if you're in an area where there are lots of new build flats and you've got a flat, obviously people do like new because it's just that sense of new, but new builds in an area generally mean the area is going in a good direction when it comes to, you know, redevelopment of the area in general. So I think that's a real positive. You have probably got to make your flat stand out. Now, an older flat can often be bigger, so I think you're going to have to up your game a little bit on terms of what it looks like. But that said, I think you might have things in your favour in terms of size. So I would say it's a good thing in general. Christopher Peacock. Hello, Christopher. What's the most unusual thing that you like? Let's do food. I do like marmalade on toast eaten at the same time as Heinz tomato soup. I don't know why. I don't know where it started, but it's a fact. So if I have Heinz tomato soup, which is definitely my go-to comfort food, then toast with marmalade, and it's got to be the right kind of marmalade. Chivers Old English marmalade or Oxford vintage thick cut. None of this kind of like wishy-washy marmalade. I like my marmalade really thick. And you're like, oh, sorry. So that's probably quite unusual. JJ, hi JJ. Favourite film, Martin? From a child, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, apart from the bit with the char catcher, which still scares the bejeebers out of me. Don't like him at all. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. In recent times, I mean, Love Actually I watch every year, and I watch it again and again and again and again. I know it's a bit cliche, a bit mushy, whatever. I'm trying to think. I think Avengers Endgame, that was the last one, wasn't it? Because whenever I go to a movie with Scott, my son, we always try and give them marks out of 10. So I think, Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, right. So Guardians of the Galaxy got a 9.8. So I was sort of like saving it, just, you know, whatever. The Guardians of the Galaxy is 9.8. I think Endgame got a 9.9. Oh, just an amazing film, right? Paddington 1 and 2. All really deep and meaningful stuff, right? There's been some really deep, meaningful things that I thought were amazing. You know, in my formative years, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, if you ever saw that, oh my gosh. Midnight Express, American Werewolf in London, all classics. Really get you going movies. But good question, I love movies. I can't wait to go back to the cinema. Oh, Karen Morgan. Hello, Karen. Morning, Martin, morning. Wallpaper or painted walls? Well, it depends what the walls are like. I mean, one of the great things about renovating a house, if you do the plastering of the walls and skim it really nicely and get a good plaster, you'll be able to just paint over it. And that does make life easy. However, wallpaper doesn't half cover a multitude of sins. So if the walls are in a mess, then I would say wallpaper can. And actually, I know bizarrely this, but I know people who swear by wood chip because you can patch it up. So if you've got a rental property, wood chip is very easy to repair. Not my favourite, but you know, whatever. Last question from Bethan G. What's the first thing you want to do when lockdown is lifted? Party. Friends over, party. Dinner party, party in the garden, party everywhere. Party, 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 party. See people, shoot the breeze. Yeah, can't wait. Hopefully we're a step closer. So that's it. Those are your questions this week. Thank you. Don't forget you can send me more on Mondays, Ask Martin Monday, on my Twitter at TV Martin Roberts. And look out for various things this week. There's something very exciting on its way. Have a good week.